me, Shanika, back with another video. So today I am actually here to make this video, and I'm gonna show you guys how I label. These are my labels for my Alana Allure Cosmetics. If you have not followed me already, you need to go do so. My Instagram is at Alana Allure Cosmetics. You already know the name, period. So I'm having a rebrand, and what that means is I'm gonna have a whole bunch of new products, including new colors, and this is part of my nude collection. So right now, this is like a nudie. These are the tubes that I'm working with, and these are the colors that I just made. I made them last night, and I just sanitized the tubes, and now I'm about to label them. I just finished labeling a few, and I actually just filmed like a, hold on. I labeled a few, you can't even see. Hold on. I labeled a few. Can it focus? So basically I'm gonna show you guys how I got these labels on my lip gloss. Okay, so yeah, I just labeled a few, and I did like a short video for Instagram. Now I'm gonna do a video for YouTube. So yeah, sorry, my brain is moving a little slow right now, so bear with me. But I'm just gonna get into the video. So here I have these labels. I got them custom made. I gave the person my logo, and they're able to sorry if you hear noise in the background, it's my niece and my brother playing. But anyways, so these labels are custom vinyl labels. You can find someone to make them custom made for you, and give them your logo, and they'll cut it out and all that good stuff. So anyways, okay. So the first thing you have to do is take like something hard. So I'm using this coin, and I'm rubbing it back and forth. The camera's shaking. I'm rubbing it back and forth, and this is just to put some pressure on the vinyl so it can actually come off of the backing. Okay, so then you are going to take off the label. So if you see, it's like you can see that it's kind of like a sticker. It has a backing, so you have to take off the backing, expose the actual vinyl, and grab your product, whatever product. It doesn't have to be a lip gloss. It can literally be anything that you wanna label, and you place it. You find a placement on your product. I want it like about right here in the center, and you lay it flat, spread it down with your fingers, and this is really important. So this is how the vinyl actually transfers onto the product. So you have to take your coin, something hard, rub, rub, rub. And there you go, it's exposed. All done. Let it focus. Vinyl print labels. Boom. And that looks just so professional compared to like the sticker labels that I see all the time, and that the old sticker labels that I used to have. Like, this is just so much more professional. It just looks so much more cleaner, and it can really elevate your business, your lip gloss business, and just your branding in general. I'm gonna do it one more time, and I might speed up the rest of this video. So okay, so I hope you guys watch and enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.